Hello and welcome to Comprehensible English. Today we are going to be looking through this book called A Cat's Day. I think I'm going to call this cat Felix. So Felix the cat is playing with a pink ball of yarn and he's sitting on a large round mat. It has red and orange and yellow. Here Felix is still sitting on the mat. It looks like he is tired. He might also just be bored. I know that I start to yawn when I get bored. Here Felix is in his living room. There's the mat that he was sitting on earlier. Nice ball of yarn sitting in underneath the table. And there is a vase, a white vase, sitting on the table with flowers. The flowers are different colors. There are yellow and purple and a darker purple. There's a window so that he can look outside, and it looks like he has his own little cat couch, which is nice and green. Felix is looking bored. He's yawning again. Looks like he might be tired. His mouth is open in an O. You can see that he has whiskers and a tail and little pointy ears. Oh, it looks like Felix is starting to get some energy. He has walked over underneath the table and he's playing with a ball of yarn. Looks like he's tossing it up above his head, and there's little bits of yarn that are breaking off. Felix looks like an energetic kitty now. Wow, he has completely destroyed the yarn. It is all over the living room. Now it looks like he's starting to get bored again. I wonder what Felix is gonna do next. Oh, looks like he's looking out the window. I wonder if there's any birds out there that he can play with. And here is Felix sitting and looking out the window. Window has a white frame and a cross in the middle. The house is red and the bushes are green. Felix is again just sitting on the table. Looks like he's trying to figure out what to do next. Uh-oh. I think Felix is gonna play with the vase. I hope nothing happens. That seems like it could be risky. Just as I expected. Felix pushed the vase onto the floor and it broke into a lot of different pieces. It looks like he's picked up the yellow flower and is holding it in his mouth. It looks like Felix is bored again. I wonder what he's gonna do next. He's standing in front of his bed. Maybe he's had enough excitement for the day. Yeah, it looks like Felix is done. He's lying in his bed and he's having a nap. But if you look at the living room, Felix has made a big mess. The end.